Hi, my name is Palash. I'm a founder of Expedia. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add title tag and meta description in your CMS collection. What I mean by that, how you can add them to your blog collection, to your case study, because they're not there by default. You have to manually add them. So, first of all, go to your Webflow dashboard and open Designer. Once the Designer mode is open, all you have to do is just go to this icon, click on this CMS icon, and here you will find all of your CMS collection. It can be blogs, it can be case studies. In my case, it portfolios. And when you hover on it, this setting icon will appear. So just click on the setting icon, and here you will find all of the collection field that are added to your CMS collection. Now we just have to add two new fields. One is title tag and second is meta description. I already have them, but to add a new field, all you have to do is just select add new field, select plain text, and name it title tag and meta description, and that's all. So title tag and hit save, and same for meta description. Once the field is created, you can drag them to the top if you want, and make sure you save the collection afterwards. Once the CMS collection is saved, all you have to do is go to the pages. So click the third icon on the left hand side, and in here you will find all the pages on your website, including the CMS collection pages. In here you will select the page for your template. So it can be blogs, it can be case studies. In my case, it's portfolio template. So when you hover on it, you will find the setting icon. So you just click on the setting icon and you scroll down to CMS setting, SEO settings. And here in your case, it will be empty, these two fields. So all you have to do is just click on add field and select the field. So it's title tag, select the title tag for title tag and meta description for meta description, and hit save. Now you have successfully connected the CMS template with the CMS collection field. Now all you have to do is just go and start making changes. So click on the CMS icon, click on your collection. In my case, it's portfolio. Select one of your portfolio or one of your blogs, and here you will find title tag and meta description. So just go ahead and start making changes, hit save, and once you've done making changes, make sure you publish the website. And that is it. I hope this helps. If you have any question about it, please let me know, and thank you for watching.